day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Karen Ragasa Pablico, Filipino, 29 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. I have 1 brother, and I'm the eldest of the family.
Good day to you, Miss Karen. How are you today?
I am fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. I am honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
So, can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of an elderly person?
Yes, sir, madam. I will help them prepare their food, guide them, assist them wherever they go, and love them as my own grandparents.
But are you willing also to take care of children?
Yes, sir, madam.
So, how do you take care of the children?
I will give them food and take medicine if they are sick, give vitamins, and take a bath.
So, what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Yes, sir, madam. I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. Please hire me because I need this work for my family, and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Karen, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.